making a video. Are you ready? Hey y'all! Alright, let's start with some foundation. We're gonna be making, well, you see it in the title. Let's get started. I've been MIA. I haven't done this in a while, but you know what? I miss it so much. How could I say no? No, I'm not gonna make a video during Halloween time. What? What? Who? What? I've been going to esthetician school. For any of you guys who don't know what that is skincare slash makeup slash waxing, you know, doing the beautician kind of stuff. Yeah, it's been a lot of work and it's been a lot of fun. I'm having a great time. I'm having an amazing time, actually. I'm hoping I finish up this month and I can get back to some regular videos. Everybody likes some regular videos, right? Alrighty. All right. Yes. Go, honey, go. Look at this coverage though. I'm using the NARS. I'm using this one. As you can see, Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. It says shake well. There ain't no bit of shake in here, honey. Like, it's done. Need to. So, what are you guys gonna be for Halloween? If you guys don't know, I'm going to give you a few ideas. If you don't have any ideas, but you wanna do something with your face that doesn't require a lot of money, buy the Wolf Face Art Effects Essentials. You can buy this at Nigel's, which is a beauty store. I believe Friends might have it, Mamie's maybe. They have like their own version of this, or like exactly this, as well as FX Studios, stuff like that. We're gonna create a Smokey Eye, and I'm gonna be using these little barrier stickies, and I'm gonna put them under my eye like this. Remember, don't press hard with these because they are extremely sticky and they do hurt when they come off. And we're gonna start off with some transition colors, the lighter browns, as you may have guessed, just to make sure it's a nice transition into the darker color. We don't want it to look like a blotch, although if that works for you, I don't see why not. So I'm starting with the color Unity from the Anastasia Prism palette. It's called Unity, and it's this one right here. Excuse how dirty and dusty and crusty it is. It's just been sitting there for like a little while. So just go like this, cut off the dust off the fallout, and kind of start creating that. And I really want to accentuate my arch in this, even though we are doing an all black eye. I still want to create kind of a highlight in the middle with some glitter. I'm going to be creating a very bold brow as well. Go in now with a flat brush, and we're going to start packing in that black, as you can see, and then just off the excess and start packing like so. And then we slowly want to start blending this upward. Perfect. And we want to drag this black a little more. Drag the black. Okay. Blend her out here. And the reason I'm trying to like really bring this sharp line here is because I really want to make it dramatic for Halloween. Like, if you're not being dramatic, what's the point of life? So as you can see, there's a really clean line there, and we can definitely clean that up just a tad bit more. I'm gonna smooth this out because it looks like the little stencil kind of left me a little marked. Bring it up. Okay. Now at the bottom, I want to do the same thing I did to the top to the bottom. Touch a little bit of the black, and we can smudge that out. Let that sit there for a little while. And let's do this eyebrow. So with the eyebrow, I really want to feather it out. Badly. I want to feather. And it's cute. And I'm gonna really make it pop with some concealer because I don't really do that often. But when I do, honey, the Lord is happy. All right, I'm gonna add some glitter. Oh, honey. Yeah, oh my God. And this is like a blue glitter from this Glitter Goals NYX palette. And it just has all these glitters. And I'm using this one. It's so pretty. This is why we keep packing it in until there's nothing to pack in anymore. So I'm gonna go in with this brush that I was messing with earlier. And yes, it's a mess. Love that. Just keep packing it in there. Really grab that product. Nick is gonna tell me you have glitter on your face, and I'm gonna be like, well, what's the problem? She's looking poppin'. Pop on some lashes. Some lashes! You know how much I love lashes, right? These are some Allure Cosmetic London. I got these at Target. Don't be spending no $50 on no lashes if you ain't got it. Like, if you have to, then do it. But if you don't have to, don't do it. It's only if you have to. Like, do you have to? We're gonna say goodbye to the fallout. Ain't nobody got time for this. Contouring time. Ooh. Oh, and if you think I didn't prime my eyelid, I did. Loving you is easy, 'cause you're beautiful. What is happening to the top of my eyebrow? There we go. Bring it down to the neck, honey. Yeah, oh yeah. Tweezers. We're gonna put some of this contour by Juvia's Place. Don't look at the packaging. I've had it for a little while. It's traveled everywhere. So this is to get a deeper contour because this is warmer. Whoa, I might have gone a little overboard. Whoa. Whoa. All right, so what we do when we go a little overboard, we go in with some translucent pa-da-da-da. And we subdue. Subdue! Subdue to me! Reminds me of my abusive ex-boyfriend. Subdue! Yes! Yes! My eye got teary. No. I'm doing this all out of order. Who cares? I do what I want. All right, so I'm gonna come back. The other side is going to be done, and then we're gonna move on to adding horns. I'm really excited. I finished up with adding a little bit of details with some little dots just for fun, just because it's makeup. Have fun. Now I'm going to start by attaching my prosthetics, which are these little horns. So I use the air dry clay to kind of mold them and create these little things, and before they hardened, I actually used Mod Podge, and I kept applying Mod Podge. I did about 3 to 4 layers as it was drying to kind of make sure that it was sturdy, because sometimes when this dries, it tends to crumble, and I don't want that to happen. You can even make bigger horns and hollow them out to make sure that they're lighter. However, this is not what I would recommend. It is kind of dangerous, just because you can literally pierce someone, and I don't want you guys doing that. But just for cost effectiveness, this is super easy. For the smaller prosthetics, this is for Nick's horns, since he has the bigger forehead. Little popsicle sticks. I'm going to add liquid latex to the back of them, and I'm also going to use a makeup wipe to kind of shape. I'm gonna shape out first where I want them, just to kind of map out. And I kind of want it to line out right here where it lines up with the arch, just because I feel like that would be aesthetically pleasing, to make sure. So while one horn dries, I'm gonna use the other one to draw this one. So that's where it's kind of gonna go, you see? Do the same thing on the other side so we can map it. And you want to be very careful with your baby hairs, just because it will pull them out if you're not careful. There we go. That looks a lot better. So as this dries, we're gonna go in with that baby wipe, or that makeup remover, to kind of remove any makeup that we have here. So you kind of get the general idea. I want to make this look a little funky. Okay, dry it out, push as many of my little baby hairs away, and we are going to, surprisingly, this sticks very quickly. That's actually great. Love that. And there we go. What we can do to make sure that this is really sturdy and stays on is continue to add liquid latex around the perimeter. We're gonna add some reds around, as well as kind of carving this out a little more like I was before. So let's do that now. Grabbing a smaller brush, and this will give a more defined line. Bring it all the way around. I know it's a little scary with the hair, but trust me, it's better than having just one horn at the club, and these baby hairs you really won't miss. Just be very careful to drag a lot of them out of that area, like I'm doing. I kind of want my lips to be super dark red, like it was for some of my other looks, which is just my favorite thing to go to. But I do plan on using some of that glitter to amp it up. Okay. So I'm gonna go in with the clean brush, tap on some of the concealer. Beautiful, beautiful. And the reason I like my horns a little dirty, it's because, you know, they've been out in the world and I'm a dirty girl and I don't clean them. All right, and now I'm gonna get my compact. Kind of when a baby is teething, like it's still painful. And then some little veins. Where's my brush? My paintbrush, please. And these details kind of really bring it together. And again, if I feel like it's a little too much, you go in with the powder. Kind of make it look like it's through the skin, not on top of the skin. See? Perfect. And then I'm gonna go in with a darker, more purpley red for the blood that's around the horns. And again, I'm just using this water activated paint. Nothing fancy, a little blue, a little bit of red. Here. See, I'm kind of going in the same direction. Like that. Perfect. Do the same thing here. Beautiful. To be brilliant, I don't know if I kind of really amp. Really go for those Halloween colors. I feel like they're like an orangey red. I dig it. And that is our finished look. Let me grab my outfit. And I am done. This is the finished look. I kind of just put on like a little jacket moment. Did my little hair in half part, kind of, little messy bun. And I love it. And this is our little devil look. It's really, really easy, guys. Just make your little prosthetics ahead of time. Go to 99 store. Go grab some of this Crayola's Health Hardening Clay and get yourself your outfit. It's so much fun. If you guys liked it, don't forget to like, subscribe. Don't forget to follow me at Sunshine Polly with 3 L's on Instagram. That's where you'll see some of the photos from this. Bye!